Good evening, everyone. We're live at 6:25, battling for Brandon's straight arm breaker figure. Looks like a nice one. I got 9 spots here that I am gonna copy and take over to random to generate our battle and find our winner. 9 spots, as you can see right now. Gonna roll the bones. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We did. We got a 5 exactly, so we are in good shape for a battle. Let's rock. Jimmy Bones in the number 4 spot takes our first round and our second round. Robbie takes round 3. Thor in the top spot for our next to last round, round 4, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, G.I. Joe lovers. And our winner is Jimmy Bones in at number 4. Verification right here. YDYELC is our verification code. Jimmy Bones in the top spot at number 4. I am done at 6:26. One last time, we'll take a look. Jimmy in at number 4 is the victor. Congrats, Jimmy. See you next time, guys. Thanks.